Do you want to learn how to create these airy, dramatic, and beautifully light scarves? I'll show you the whole process step by step, from laying out the soft wool to the final finishing touches. We will go through every stage together, and in the end, you'll have your own unique felted scarf that you can proudly wear. This tutorial is perfect even for complete beginners. Everything is explained clearly and simply. Just follow along with me, and you will definitely succeed. Watch full tutorial, link below.